Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Microsoft Forms for survey. Start by logging into your Microsoft 365 account and navigating to Microsoft Forms. You'll see options to create either a new form or a new quiz. For surveys, select New Form. Then, give your survey a descriptive title and add a short, informative description to guide your respondents. This initial setup is crucial for a successful survey. Now, let's add questions. Microsoft Forms offers several types, including multiple choice, text, rating, and date. You can also use branching logic to show or hide questions based on previous answers, making your survey dynamic. Remember to mark essential questions as required to ensure you gather all necessary information from your participants. Personalize your survey's look by choosing a theme or adding a custom image to make it visually appealing. Once ready, share your form easily. You can generate a link, a QR code, or embed it directly into a web page. Don't forget to configure response settings, like setting a specific start and end date for submissions, to manage your data effectively. After collecting responses, head to the Responses tab in Microsoft Forms to see a summary of your data in real time. For deeper analysis, you can easily export all the collected data into an Excel spreadsheet. This allows you to perform more complex calculations and identify key trends or insights from your survey participants.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.